Welcome back. Continuing to work on the YUZHEN Fairyland miniature. Last time we worked on this little chase lounge with a guitar and 3 potted plants. And they're really cute. Everything's cute. Love the chase lounge. And today we're going to work on this bench. We need to go into bag H. And we want parts H6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. H6 is this cute little backboard. H8, there's 2 of them, are these frames. H7 is this big yellow piece, rectangular piece. H9 are these 2 half ladders. And H10 are these hollow squares. They've got 1 rounded edge on them. And we also need these 2 white dowels. That's H11. And that's all we need out of this bag. Next, we need our white material again. And the cardboard we also need, which is in bag M. And it's this piece of cardboard. We used it last time. We also need patterns for these. And I'm going to look at our last pattern pieces. Here's M01-2, so we need that pattern. And M04-2, we need this pattern. Okay, now that we have all our pieces, we're going to start with H07, which is the big rectangle, and one of the H08s. These are going to be the legs. And then take H09, and they go on the narrow part. And finish up with the last H08. Then we want to flip that over. Choose your prettiest side for the front. And this has decorative lines in it. They should face forward. And this gets glued along the top here. There is a little bit of space on either side of the backboard. And it goes flush up against the back with just a little bit of space on either side of it. Make sure it's flush. Watch your extra glue, although that'll be covered. Next, we're going to do the little arms on it. Now this piece has, this is 10. This is H10, and it has one of the corners is rounded. So that's your arm part. It's up, it's on the top, on the outside. These get glued up against the backboard, so they are a little bit in from the side, and they'll also be a little bit back from the front. They're flush against this side, so they're in just a smidge, and just a smidge in the front, they're back in. Next, we want to take our cardboard and glue our cloth around it. Now, if it's easier for you, you can cut a square and then just cut an angled line into the corner, because this can all be hid. When you cut those corners out on a square like that, it's actually helping it to fray more, which we don't need it to fray more. And then this gets glued down onto the bench. We want to take H11 and glue them in the sides as pillows. And there we have our little bench. It's very cute. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.